Good morning. I've just uploaded something with my current musings. So, that's all that I wanted this one to be about releasing information as it comes. So, we've talked before about the fact that there's so much dense information on the planet at the moment. As people are waking up, as people are paying attention, as people are seeing the bigger picture, so as we open up and become more aware of how huge things are, it's hard on our cells, it's hard on our organs, it's hard on our brain, it's hard on our mental health. It's just hard, it's tough, it's not an easy time to be living in the third dimension on the planet, so even if we are just in the matrix and playing along, stuff's going on we can't ignore. So that energy in the fourth dimension is really, really dense. So this is about calming that down, okay? So I got my tuning forks here. I just want to do a quick little balance around calming that down. So, okay. So the first one showing up is spleen energy. Now, the meridian for the spleen is about empathy and sympathy. And I have been having a hard time having empathy for people who have closed their mind to the entire thing for the last 18 months. Okay, so that's my bad totally. Yeah, right. And the other tuning fork is kidney energy. So kidney energy is about fear. So when we're fearful, it makes us angry. If we're angry, we have lack of empathy. So that sort of makes sense from my personal perspective. I'm not sure where you're sitting as you see people make any decision. How much anger is there on this cosmos of ours? Our poor little planet must be going, oh, really? Again? So, let's run that central meridian. Allow that energy to increase in our conscious brains. Allow love and light and energy in our heart just feel free and easy. How's the heart feeling this morning? Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so pain and punishment in the heart circuitry. Okay, so I release any and all pain and punishment circuits affecting my heart. I release any and all pain and punishment circuits affecting my heart meridian. I release any and all pain and punishment circuits affecting my heart. I allow my conscious brain to override fear and punishment and pain circuitry. I allow my frontal cortex to activate feel-good hormones, dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and when I need energy, cortisol, adrenaline, noradrenaline. And I allow myself to be present in the here and now. I allow myself to be present in the here and now. I allow myself to be present in the here and now. Okay, we need them again. I am open to new ideas and information. I choose to remain conscious. I choose to remain compassionate. I choose to have empathy for everyone on the planet. I choose to understand why anyone's seemingly in the wrong. I understand that they all have a part to play in this chaos. I release the choice to live in the chaos. I release the need to live in the chaos. I release the power of living in the chaos. I release the addiction to living in the chaos. Yeah, right. So energetically, many people are really frozen in the chaos because the chaos is everywhere. It's on the news, it's on the Mockingbird media, it's in just the news every single day, and it's billions of imprints going on in our mind. You know, this has been set up for decades that we're just paying attention to all of this negativity all day, every day. So raising that vibration, you know, 999, 999, 999. I choose to be 999, 999, 999. I choose to be sovereign. 999, 999, 999. I have the choice with what I do to my body. 999, 999, 999. I choose to be conscious. 999, 999, 999. I choose to have empathy to every soul on the planet. Every soul on the planet, no matter where they are in their ascension. 999, 999, 999. Open up that frontal cortex. Allow yourself to see. Allow yourself to think. Allow your IQ to just be open and your EQ to be caring, loving, and compassionate. And breathe. And breathe up. Allow energy from Father Sun and energy from Mother Earth. Okay, beautiful people, have a spectacular day, and I'll talk to you later. Take care.